Na ne ho asɛm kan so enye den. Ya to ebo ase aye no such a way say ensuo ketua bi odigu na odimu egum a kyese se sia na ben eno a balance equation ma bibia kama ente se mo na ukofa nsuo bebre pe na epacha wan fa nsuo kakra bi so pe na mo na yensen da bi fortune rice de ente sa the one some can yet den cry. Oh, it comes out perfect. Come up. It is all yeah, jollof be na fried rice be na be a rice balls be na oh yeah. Any rice dish be our prepare be na. The patro money yeah, fortune rice. Your fortune classic and no color no green. And your fortune delight. And also a orange. And your fortune delicious. And also a red pack. 80 months and count there. And you won't regret it. Fortune rice, always on point, just like mom. Afternoon, Jerry. Please, I want to wish my wife, Sally, his son Naza of St. Paul's Methodist School, a happy birthday. And this one's come from the husband, James, and their kids. We love her very much. Okay, that's nice. As usual, I trust to say na and the pubia obiano, you know what? They say the acro a floral disposable handkerchief. Yes, floral disposable handkerchief. Mausanka flora. And we are better than the usual cloth handkerchief. No, you know, say we know. And one said we back all the paper when you move free and now our runs and one paper and now I hit it no paper or one paper. We are no attraction. One sign fine show bottom and now I carry gems nina baby abekobia. Very simple. Ne bones when you're the iron crocra come and say fit into your pocket, your purse, and now cry or bag easily. What I say? Open the draft for Delta Paper Mill Limited on 0243 033 033. Flora, better than cloth handkerchief. I feel young comfort dominion about powder man. Oh, I dance the DNA PPA free mubano. Omo enum bi dia dance ya dani. What shall say so num bi ma immune system no yen den. Ni nyina e chire no so no. Asan boa anormalize blood pressure no e dey ama. Or heart or kidney related problems. So if you preoccupy diabetes, no stroke there, yank, and you jai. About 2 years here. So I know pen one so be hot water kakra. Na o the teaspoon asa dominion about powder no kakra de gum. Kanu we say ya dra no one. And you may repeat the same thing. I are son be bad do mama. We if he Angel Dominion about Center One Coco. Or the door panel from CCR 0543 158 195 and our face 020 429 6449. Now you didn't come out correct pa. Dominion about powder, your number one immune booster. Finally, fast day you are mayor of Basima Seal. This is something special if AGI and of Ghana Standards Authority in Kenya. Now, you decide Obasima Sili abo food product how do we be home our market. It ye ne UPM Gasuna Ope a food product at all. Aya share the Obasima Seal no neto no. It's say no any cra 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Yeah, be born pum de ho nsem pa. Eyed mo bia ni titru yenuanom mai. So go on, choose Obasima, stay healthy and stay strong. saa na me do be ka se num na si enso be hu ana sa twiem Special greetings and come on echo. Oh, DVLA, ewa tema. Michelle, minia. So and I'm in French Sham Emma Danny Boy. Also DVLA ewa tema. One correct guy pa. Danny Boy. Yo, why Nina? Jerry, it's my mother's birthday today. So please wish her a happy birthday for us. Mrs. Juliana Reku Ababio Owatema Community 5. Happy birthday to you. Omano almost mean can't say oh you're fantastic mama pa. And it's almost say Radisha the man today on your birthday. And Jennifer and I feel so peaceful. I'm not some wish you happy birthday. I mean, we shall know your case. Good afternoon, bro. Please, I want to wish my niece, Princess Na Dromo Golightly, a glorious happy birthday. She's 13 years today. Please tell her that I love her and she should always be a good girl. That she is. Wayfi Mrs. Eugenia Na Lamle Chomenya Enchen. And a happy birthday also going out to Charlene Nani Bafo of Creator School, Stema Community 4. From your mom, Mrs. Ernestina Bafo and siblings. May God bless you abundantly. Happy birthday also going out to Elizabeth Ayite, aka Na Lupita, or at Palm Senior High School. Want to wish you all the best in life. From your mom, Ivy Dixon, and your uncle, Bernard, of the Multimedia Group Sales Department. Hello, Jerry. Please, happy birthday, Uncle Mama Charlotte in the United States of America. With your archery, Agunankum.
Chubby Justice. Wow! Is the latest Infinix Hot 10T coming this new month? Hurry now and buy the latest Infinix Hot 10T and get cool gifts, crossbody bags, sports bottles, marks, and many more. The Hot 10T is the latest addition to the Infinix Hot series. The Hot 10T has 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display with a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity. It also features a Helio G70 gaming CPU that makes it super fast for all your gaming pleasure. Buy now for a cool price of $780 128 Ghana cedis for the Infinix Hot 30, which has 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM, and 888 Ghana cedis with 4GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. Visit any accredited Infinix shop nationwide to purchase.
Infinix, the future is now.
Benjamin, Kweku, Nkwadeni na wahe. Akwesi.
Auntie Maggie, I don't know what you move from me and put to say.
Pepesa wabua me. Na me de momo no. Amani sika.
Oh, Auntie Maggie, Jaisa. Say momo aye easy cra. Obeti me frɛ wo momo. And no answer over dial 170. That's all. Mami show.
Mema wakwaba ba MTN momo.
Hey, na momo yi ayem rese. E na de bia me keke mo frɛ nkwada yi. Chia, afa.
Ma, o frame me.
The dada afei na waba. Eye jai. Miama ye.
Oh ma.
Akwai bebre wo ho a udi betwa wo momo. And no answer over frɛ 170. Na watie wo momo menu no. E wa kan. Aigbe nkran. Brofo dagbani ani awusa. Open so simple. Dial star 170 hash. Na the steps no so. Momo said ya openu bia. Frɛ 170. Another dial star 170 hash. We are good together. We there for you everywhere you go.
Mami nyapa no a ofumeduane no. Unya bema no a de bia ogina phone so no.
Hello, I'm Rose here.
Wo fase no ochiri bibia.
Da bi o mempe, we de michu.
Wadamfo no a, woni no adwuma mu a, de bia ono no mu Coca-Cola twato. Yeni na yeni mobisa, nenso omuni hɔ a na aduane di asesa. Enkenya bra ye kabom e di Coca-Cola eji yeni. FD agi edwade nkrato yato.
I see you. Quality security door in a new space. Why you affordably? What Pobiman Paint Depot and the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. I don't see phone. Contracted. When you road marking paint. What Pobiman Paint Depot. Paint to quality usual. Cecilia, why you paint and pay later? It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's Yankee. You see if you was asking me what done here. Pobiman Paint Depot. I will stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So I crack my highway. Put him on trouble to
Hello.
Yo, na ase say.
Kaleminua, Mr. Me here once is here.
That's him.
Asem bi sabi o.
Meet you.
Yama Musa 9 cities. Yama Kwame so 36 cities. And Apokuan so nya 27 cities. Na wa wo hwe san asem here. Sika sem pa na de labinya.
Chama, hey, hwa konya na we dia a long equation. Ye di kan fa Musa.
Bulu ne koso wabusua ene na mfo ntem se de wo bi da kra. Sima wa kwa di kan ne pa na betua wo ka. Na se wo kasa no so twa ya. Wo be di nkoma wontua hwe. Ne sama 50 megabytes free. Abia obekasa. Press star 315. Now for Dom. MTN free after 1 and net. Free say we are good together. Everywhere you go. Kaise, in shake a crow.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
So quickly, and I share somewhere DT home for where so by Kanket C DBS Industries Limited, a Fay Dome Master and Pubman Paint Depot and MTN. It's you on for real quick now for you, Mediano and Kai Atwaso, and then Cos on the higher 106.3 FM. Name you assume now and there the editor from TNE ye pa. About you not somewhere DT from what because I say the challenging times you are going through now will pass anyway. You have to be positive about life and never assume that you'll be stuck in your situation forever. Charlie, enka oda echese den ebesesa. What I say? Minim dia wo famu ene. Minim adibia ehye so. Minimo hawa na mani bi a womu. But asem yi say atiti bi a wonam ensohwe bi a wo famu bia no kai na ehye no so say ekwan bia so set sen ebetwam akọ Enunti. Ese se utimi nya susu ye pa. Na hwe na wan dwen da biara da se. Ne wona mu ana de atowi. Ebe ka osa e wa bra ensesa. Enye sa na nya mehihye hu no. Etie. Ena ewiase ya ye wono so no. Enye sa na etie. Eye den ya ebre besesa. Eti se nei ena ebia enko yi. Enei ena ebia obre. Enei na ebia bibia si a aye no ho bisi basa bisa ne ade ade a. Don't you worry. Keep hope alive. Never show trimu say o situation na wo famu ene no. Ebesesa. Ebetimi abasa ye ochina. Maybe yours will take several months. Ebi a wo de be take lots of years. And sana wo hu san sachra no. But fa show trimu say enka hoda eden ye besesa. Once again, the challenging times you are going through now will pass anyway. You have to be positive about life and never assume that you'll be stuck in your situation forever. We need somewhere near the 2 year hopeful. Your first was done my proud sponsors no quickly na enkomobi ofia enkomobi emu de nika sempa na ye fasa ankomo no so ento also. DBS industry say unya se odi nnua egu dan so ansana wo de chance aboso etwam say nnua na aba ne nye papa yi ma fresh and egu abeka se correct ama ye kakregu awia boso kakra na akwa tiesa carpenter for no crowd a chance ne bodan so kra omo have a hard time pa it didn't say ye dey are losing classes aba eno de da so perfect level ni na bibia kama pa and a lightweight inti and fat pressure be gina dan so we so the everlasting kan be na akori na dey ejato dan mkra no enhye na guso ho sa it everlasting inti na be to bia ma 100-year warranty e wo ho that is on na kan so mu na ba betra dan na still strong roof no ejina na so pa ti hwe twa kon the expenses do fie so enche bia no adu papa restaurant na obetimi so afre na ya free estimate about patro akra number no 0240 844 444 Kumasi number no 050 600 4141 and attack radio number no 050 600 4242 as they do a farmer door master and Pubima paint the pumpacho and they and also brand be enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology or over 100 designs and colors to choose from. You endorse no you more sort to be brave. Exterior steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors. In fact, any kind of door biano, be available. Obanso I born at the phone book or cry. And about painter from where your partner with news paint. I offer she buy a friend who paint now, pay later. Schools, offices, churches, hospitals, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers now. Yes, some magic paint be a mope. Nam fanko paint more than I would want. Yes, spread this kind of mom. Nam to watching tutu and kakra bra. Yen fa interest be a enka hon emamo. Na ye Euro standard news painty. Ye more acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, wall primers, potty, any paint accessories pina account. Ubemi ye cha kwan on the Accra Kumasi Highway. Ye will Pubimanto booth wa. In fact, say Ujna Pubimanto booth wa. When you to your shop num. For 0542 745 222 and now 050 021 2447. Na ye nim komo. Finally, as they do from MTN, or say or the free after one share number. You can talk for as long as you wish. Or the cost kasasa. Don't worry about the cost. It's as when you are done, Ubetuya for only the first minute of your call, and the rest is absolutely free. Ubesa enjoy 50 megabytes of data at their browser for free. Akahon. When you just pick up your phone now, now a dial star 550 hash. Now I subscribe to MTN free after one. Then you stay connected because we are good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. All right, yeah, we are saying no send them di kaka no komo bi ofia emu ode pa na ese di san komo no na saying na him say Euro 2020 year bay we said the whole we be say na country yeah na di ginamu ani ade a na ginamu na wo hwe so de so otimi hwe ade no HD no so what I say HD plus decoder no e ho na ekro ti wo hwe bibia am so da bi na ye go na ade na morning sa wo say morning sa wo say padi ba ku to the see these people on screen on ade clear morning sa because on wo show HD plus so na ade na the general manager for Adom brand say wa ha Mr. Abdullahi Audu on time tin cancer just say I told the head dinty and they said the idea I didn't mind the bono boss akwaba ya me adu bibia woko boss we dey what bounce me na me boss is you but chop be mic man I want be mic
yes sir
I want to yara na so bibia woko there
Charlie Kulo
nice we dey enko we dey minyan ka me jama na ka wadi nkomo no sa o
nkomo no dey so nkomo no dey started at Euro 2020 so ya ye hu dey there say 15 days ba bibi ka ba and you know you were different partners I know more internet there many your partner from AG plus because so can that already na your signal here clear na you sabe more AG plus there so who say super clear tournament there ba best European players no bia Kofi Akwagbama no crew
sa pepe
brutal hokra
and then na you be call Madam Adelaide so nchen na ya mo no so Akwaba pacha Akwaba
yeja
say bibia boko there
boko na so
yes you ho pa na ni je say ye no mo a partner na bibia ko yi kama na krofo ya no bizanum say na mo say HD plus na mo kan mo say ene de wa ha pacho briefly there chemu na mafo enyanti ase ni yi pa
yo me da say na mi chia etiefo nyina
etiefo joso
HD plus no satellite service broni beka satellite service na satellite service na chese wo hia decoder say otumi eden wo di receive na ye ne say ye the local channels na comforta hwepan to say Adom Joy Prime ni Joy News nyina to HD so quality ni HD quality inti no sha utumi hu say ade na ohwe na fili na obia to me who say HD na ye can 5 times SD quality no na chese hu ni awo hwe na decoder no nya ube hu ni euro na eba no ube hu ni fili ti say wo pack no so inti no HD plus na ye de aba
e no so ni pa kra passport kra oni bi enso na say de wa ko
green grass
bibia to say so daso player no TV kra hu bibia wow enti amount for be den na say akabe say 15 days na say e boru mu is amount for be den na omo setimi aka HD plus decoder bi na omo so edu a we say na they won't be left out
send ya wo kan no HD plus dey agi baabia o e wo baabia enti na hia ne say obekọ multi TV dealer ana say Electroland showroom no ebisa for HD plus e be ma o now already no apart from euro ni ye wo promo aye decoder bia wo 2 months free subscription e wo so into auto decoder na fili na ye kan ho asem no eno an say wa connect na wo hwe na multi TV ne ye wo ye decoder no ho say multi TV homes nyina ehia so mbese sa o satellite dish auto decoder na
na fan say me multi TV am use that me box no wo ho no baby am dish ne bone ade ne de enwo ha etimi beto new HD plus decoder bia me call ya na ma ko fix ya na me connect am na edem
sa pepe
ene se we de se nya dwumaden bia sa we wa akra obetimi ya wade
senia Abdullahi kan no ye ne multi TV start multimedia start enye ne nti ye to aso
wow that's nice boss o de kakra be so ana
Charlie Obia Uncle box DB and as a radio so from June 11th.
Yeah, Cosa
Charlie, Kumasi.
And now we know say one fan one more multimedia, you won't be a part of it. Because one more can nano in Miss Alconia so won't beat me.
Obia Yentem, you know, na tournaments number. A big tournament.
Sure. You better say, Madam Adlito, final message be at my answer.
Nia met me dia kan won say I know say Ghana for THD na say agi baby na ade ba foto ba kwa metimi ama omo HD plus decoder ni bi ne say a decoders bebre aba omo chocho HD wo so but ukwa make sure say what HD plus decoder no ye decoder na red to say multimedia color na inti mo nhye no so na obi an kope bi because you read there ye hwe ne feel you to say ye wo hobby
feel na no ade ya na boss ma mo so to me ni ade a say ntime so say feel sa boss you do thank you all right enti abusuan komo na ne de abro no we enkomo bi emu ode enti men waste time ma wonya ha na ema wonsa enka onso de na ye kan onso watimi ahwe bibia na the feel experience no onso watimi enya bi nya sa de a amanfo be hwe di mu adanse a na I say titide mu na ogina sa na ade a eno na nya guide make sure so man saka the new HD plus decoder no na amounts will viewing experience no bibia I have 5 times better than the standard definition now. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so Enchebiano, Yanis Scott Tenase. Now they are around the world in 5 minutes, Abril. Here on Adom 106.3 FM.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Throwback Thursday. Yeah, baby. Something to reminisce on. Oba Sweetie VIP.
Some huna word, now I'm sorry. Oh, what? I depend on the whole city. Open the wall, be once I'm a fan of monster. I'm chatting with my papa. You don't go to grow. I have been in your home in the city. Go to the guy. This is fine to set up a town. Yeah, you did be better. Keep your bell. Say hi. And one is situated there from my side. The 29 to you be my baby. So much. We share the need. I saw it. I saw it. We share the little go so down for. I'm not to say, but tomorrow, the call and then the one up side. It was side. We want it all license. It's a jack. We had your business. We say, what to me talk. We try the application. Why? And I'm afraid we interview the idea. To me pass it. We want it all license. It's a jack. We had your business. We say, what to me talk. We try the application. Why? And I'm afraid we interview the idea. To me pass it. The hips is one I beg from you. The two need the not yet. With the world, in his bar, the deep your tonight, of your bitch, get it wide, when you bring the beauty, until it to freaky, sweetie, who you shaking, on the cover, tell me, don't ever know, on the cover,
And a happy birthday going out to you, Dennis Pamford. Oh yeah, one great musician. Oh, Belgium. Yes, it's your birthday today. Happy birthday to you. And may the good Lord bless you. With me, Papa, Reverend Bishop. No, I have titles now. Doctor. Bishop Dr. Paul Yao Uzuazan. Osimi shira we wi pa. Etiben is nyame onshiraw. Na onshiraw. Na onsen shiraw bi as you celebrate your birthday today. Asira basiti Sanso and a happy birthday, Uncle Emma Agnes Abena Amponsa. You are 50 years old today. Yes, happy 50th anniversary. Oh, Kumase Abuakwa. Nyame Onsha non Tunkwane Mwate. So for your Usman, I say Nyame Onsha. Now 50 now, the Adom on sign for another 50. In pews won't count. Not the other Sabe can be answered. And yes, that. Oh, yes, you did. Amen. Ladies and gentlemen, as we continue to throw back on a Throwback Thursday with a Bass Sweetie from VIP, I want to let you know that it will take us to around the world in 5 minutes, which has come.
Balance and
Bibia be fine. Bibia be fine. Bibia be fine. It's stretchy. Bibia be fine. Yes. I love that. Nyametias. Yeah.
Oh,
God day we day. Bibia be fine.
Yeah. On Mount Zion, there shall be a deliverance.
Good one.
Yeah.
Good one.
Brother, you say where did it?
Yes, Medidi.
Okay. I ana de bi ampese me bisa say where did it because
and then so midi fufu. Yeah. And the crowd there me be di wa here.
One notice is say dey bia me bisa say where did it fufu asem na aga.
And then me share down na me na I say na say there be week we person me born fufu in the afternoon so go see Friday you know or chance so afternoon midi fufu.
Okay. Brother,
yeah.
I am a chiro Greek kasa. A woman am a chiro baako. Because minimum say God will take you far. Say be ya would do another catch a man for. I want to teach you another one too. A proverb.
Okay.
Greek. Felpo. Only Americano. Felpo. Greek.
See what you say.
Greek na mention.
Oh, bra,
Jerry. Greek na mention.
Slow down for me.
Yeah.
It's the okay as I say.
Maybe I met him. Some say a proverb.
It
may come against
here. Continuing
sentence. Yes. Football. Uti edipa. Football. Tio, I know the pa.
Okay.
A proverb.
Okay.
Udim do person watch.
Yes.
Or say Bema one oba enya argument Bema ni win no or abusive boyfriend
one o girlfriend nya argument na mo argue na wo
Bema no win it means that we are abusive
na band win or abusive
baby because normally ne emba na tie win argument a proven
okay and I can say no Phil
ma ohano so le kakra oh brother dem eche oh brother so brother Andra me kono I irrigated na meeting na me pese me ka asem na mo ka bibi mo ka say ase oba no woni ni wie na opese obisa next round or ka say me nsole nkwa na ase na mo
me pentema ko ba bi o ni ade na
brother ma me nchire wade
okay
normally no mo nka say mo pentema ko ba you see ono da wa ohwe wanim na waka che say or you sleep in obi and as you be or your brother say should I wear my pant or what should I wear my pant or what
me share my pant no
me share sound of it yes sa na yo
person sure say
yes and then that's the main yeah na say me be clear na
okay thank you very much for clearing
Brother my main comment stories so we are na me de ho na to us brother yenko Morocco
okay
na in fact mebo Morocco for abaso almost started wo vaccine no almost vaccinate wo mo go prison yes any asem ketwa because utimu say as ye minim Ghana ye mo wono prison for mo ye omoden
bakwasem de no kuri nyaminim
in fact na me hu ye na me kra me kai say na bra vaccine first we ni ba ye no prison for no mo ye wo mo den but wo mo de eja almost say because Braje say yare na TC prison sisi ana ebe ha dwene intino almost start wo omo a omo go prison no almost start wo omo a enya sam ketwa Braje Namibia one president and the first lady Andra and Minya call if he was Oma tested positive for COVID-19
Namibia
yeah
wow
yes but from the office of the presidency no they about much say they are doing well and Oma Chiomo ho kakra isolation no mo ye no mo fie se na be ya bibia ebetimi akoso and into no mo ka kire adehye ne se wo mo nka wo makoma ento wo mo yem that is a huge aba Braje mekoso e wo Delta State me ka Delta State and HSM de mani akire Nigeria na entafo mienu bi wo mo ye nua me asembe na me be
entafo de mo ni
entafo mienu bi
says hot
gradually entafo mienu bi emse ba ko ahwe nyame anim ne obronza metiko ama ne kure waseme se wakuni nua no na according to investigation omo kira na rituals for rituals omo ye twins enzo intini na ye me nwa pa se entafo pa na utimi hwe nua nanim ekuno na it's not really confirmed say
but what him say entafo a omo angry no e dangerous papa
sound
yes if entafo
omo kan sa
yes omo kan na say entoko omo ntemo a
yeah
e dangerous chain bibia say otan esi entafo emu a ehu
into we know your time because my the abop na kire say ni nua no ekun for rituals and a rituals na nyese the cobain who say onwu asase so e sika rituals ye bi so omo match no de wo match na wo embra ene no AD na Braje ade we I will confirmed I will confirm it but
you confirm or you confirmed
was it me can confirm and I'll take confirm
me take confirm
it had na we to the bia what ade bia bia na what na asa dia won te ye so obe ya mo bia hu say what
ndi Are you going to confirm or you are going to confirm?
I'm going to confirm.
Okay.
You see, and no, Oko England or my culture it's a slip of tongue.
Oh, okay. I got it.
And a slip of tongue can be asked to me slip. Yes, so it's a slip of tongue.
I got it. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, it's like that. Bradley, I'll confirm this, but how much say boat be say enya kwenhyia ewo Nigeria na their mates and say nipa 20 ewu na omo believe say na nipa 156 na ewu mu intino me pese me gada ni ye.
Oh, okay.
But intino maka, but I will
go over it again.
Verify. Then tomorrow I will bring the full details.
Okay.
Ghana for ebete.
Okay.
Bradley.
Yeah.
BDC.
All right.
But before
Boko.
Oh, and I was now in the machine. I want some Menkavi.
Okay.
But Bradley, what notice say Uba Africa, the kind of Upese who say oba respect or serve the kind of enama or the bema and nam or the bema nature the level of respect or woman. What notices idea? Yes.
Nam do no.
Yes. What we say or ma we duane and namno anya be 4 be 5 natures or respect no was roba.
Wow.
Na ko ba na e ba ku bia no kra no achia ne ho kakra. It means say there's a problem. Yes. Bradley, it is only in Africa and I will be a oni adwuma. Ebe advice you be a oye adwuma say ne salary so. Can you imagine?
Obi a onye adwuma.
Ebe advice you be a oye adwuma say ne salary is. It is only in Africa na be hu sadi. Oh no nye adwuma but or advice you be a oye adwuma say ne salary is. But you see a mema wo mu peska. Bradley unim say sika mpedede.
Yeah.
Intina ya mo anwo bank no. What is your bond more?
I know enter any banking hall
because
classical music
what is your bond more bank?
David.
Bradley Ghana for you. So person who say wabano ebema broken heart. If you guys are going out, who person who said the lady will give you a broken heart. I say we make am idwane
Udane akwen.
Udeti.
There we now tell. Unko baby.
Bradley.
Yes.
Say one sign ube who said this lady will give you a broken heart. Ladies who wear trousers without pants. Ladies who wear trousers without pants. There is a possibility say they can give you broken heart. Bradley.
Same way did.
Madam Anwesi. Medin Edison Scott.
Oba.
Now I'm in bone.
Or shirt trouser
without pants.
No. If that's what you're saying. Now most of them
they say the statement in here. They say one more tie a shirt trousers without pants or quite juma or the cookroom or the quite juma or the essay. And that young ladies no mabano. So what time notices are dinner? My brother, possibility say we be your broken heart.
High.
A research if you to be man be far. Now far.
And let me see if you're going to be sure.
I'm so on our cousin. But
dear, before the year goes by, when be nyabo,
sound
on my man, the idea.
Bradley,
Bradley,
tea, Miss Rememano. Say, when you obey Jaya, don't rush into another relationship.
What's it to him for?
Me too, and man and man in
together.
Together. Say Mujaya, I am mamu rush into another relationship. Move me a train maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes, then you move to another relationship. 15 or 20.
No.
Achana 15 minutes or 20 minutes.
No.
Oh, there be some percent say they shouldn't rush, but Oma rush here they should at least wait for about 15 or 20 minutes. Now I feel Oma also. Me dey Edison Scott Bradley. Okay. Okwachi moda ye free krobi kejebi. Na just woka.
Na we jebi.
Me dey Edison Scott. Instagram. I say underscore Scott.
Was it his day?
Instagram. Say underscore Scott.
Okay.
Official.
Okay.
Follow me there.
Okay.
You can vibe with me there.
Okay.
You can do business with me there.
Okay.
Baby, I be fine.
Okay.
Bradley, Macron.
Okay. I was here. So that was say Scott. And yeah, or they do or they ever my amayano. Nyame Adom watchna. You know edit the akano ever twaso. Not just say Bibia akori na yakili week no. Name every day. Yeah, ahusisi na ye de irrigated sports atwaso. Okay, so before that, since Gusia Thursday, I threw back here. You for introduce here and go. Another classic one. Yenabra, Too Tough, featuring Castro the Destroyer and the Fire.
Son of Revie. Son of Revie.
We're red eye. Too tough. Too tough America. Oguskele and afraid red eye. It's red eye and all rappy. Oguskele dear baba, mammy for couldn't kakana. See, this is the media. Is in my crew, and then mammy found call at the time. Mammy say on honing a baba. There be Indian start to Castro. Tio Guskele. Makuma muto fe metafra me fo ya media. Medi benkumreje. Matemati Obiba eno awon fe ti pompo adewada. Biniba baba soko. Unya ni di net photo. Koko manova koko. Obi akono de no bi do posuno. Me fe di me baba na wa to me fono. De be yen da se ma fe na fono. E do promotion kono ki kwetu ya fe na ni o bi me so me da baby check a message me di on campo na mayo mo wa mi kana ma fi odo oyo we ti pop baba na ma head ya ma fama tia atete to mago bisa se mo ma me ka message odo edo adaje se sana etio fiti baby awadu bi asam Too Tough America oh wow mami mo vibe kakra bi na yi na
we Too Tough
America, Obedantem Jessica, Utie, Jerry Justice, Adom FM.
Coming again.
Way to of America, Obedantem Jessica, Utie, Jerry Justice, Adom FM. Holla.
Akatapa. Now, Omo Abom say there, and say Omni Castro, and say Castro, so Casacana.
Jerry Justice near a man for was feel was commissions and our mixes. But one yum, one not shown by a wandawa, no fiadum, Castro the destroyer under fire.
Yeah, Eduanesi. Okay, so on that note, you remember Penifua Casa, now your room, they are gated at Twaso.
Well. Please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. A papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. Now they be Irrigated Sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress.
Nice one. Over.
The open program one Dede FM Fast Sports one. Irrigated Sports Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Great. Kwame Akwaba.
Kwame Joso.
Say empunu ye.
There been pony the Musa or say house da hen. Match us on that talk or league mu. They say the Musa bin pomu bi.
They say ni pomu je den yan sa. Unofficial mayor. Akwaba. Say we aboko.
Oh, ba dia daro aboko na me hunu niam bi mani anya ho.
Oh, kaso ana.
Oh, page so.
Beba, kwaku Akwaba.
Yado.
Say bibi aboko de.
Asem kro na na ha me na.
Asem be ya.
Yes, me pe hu mwae na.
De we na abai.
Yes, you betu aketu mu.
David, ye hia update you o.
Sa.
Me hu story bi e wo Peace FM online na no pay. Mani anye ho kra.
No e wo ho no de somebody na edikan.
O say bi say
am somebody edikan.
O say clear na sana.
Because bi eni wa o clear.
O say paper video na.
Bi eni wa o clear.
O say ayi African. Bacho the wrong headline ya. Ye nuanom Peace FM for edit to ho yi.
I know when I hear the first.
Me bacho David money e wona me fa free me sewa.
Landing na omu Messi show we o.
Why
the say Mrs. Tamacha. Tamacha crying.
Why one?
Muneti. Omu Messi show we.
Why no to come out and come home.
Me tap.
You know you can hear me carry room.
Eh ya you say.
Crying. Be ma die ma wa na. E say me die ko. Da bi ayi no. Mo me o da bi say o mo me die ma.
Me de mane wa no paint wo won ye bi o say ba na nko wa bobo ano.
Me press conference. Anto so de ma na hu ye wa.
Me. Oh. Ayi nyu mi gra mo
eni na da ya.
Mo me mo nyu bi.
Opusu pediters on.
Mo ma me mo nyu bi ma me ho ansa de mo kai ye ndi.
Na me no fa no ancestor.
Me ba. Say na una obisa ma say mi say na eti anto say kwaku kai na me nim ho hwe ana say e na be say me bo nyu ma ho.
Adoyewu. Ati say
wa onyu so hu.
E tanyo no ho say o de mi an bo wi an bo hu.
Adoyewu.
Enye no.
Say wa wo fom pema say mo kete fi say me ye fantini ba.
Yeah. Enye na wo bo.
O ya remix.
Ati say wa wo
ya remix.
E bi no fantina say fantasem ye be kai. We cross here for Fenyo Markins no money very for no one fee and allocated jobs no. Oh, Fenyo Markins was story with. And central region that's because who say and I know you cry no mini nyina na confant mem. What I say tikali bibi o kra anka you must say dey pie na me say nko e fantini o. Because
na uti dinana. Oh, I know the Indian Bodino, I'm interested in France. Movie, I know much them why. I didn't know kind of a story number in Bodino, I'm interested. I don't hear. Me say, movie, a big kitab for him, you look bosswa. Probably sorry, Fanti. You have not back on Jerry, the understand your Fanti. I know your brofu. There, just I am Fanti. I am brofu. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Oh, that you know. Don't be a tremendous, don't be a tremendous, don't be a tremendous, don't be a tremendous.
Eti kwa kunya bo akwa hiya ni na dia mede me ho aba
mo sa me makani na acho me
akwa hiya ni so ya pa ya mu pe bia mo fanya
akwa hiya ni
me na metia me enyum na mo kam na ni na wa aba me na membo dabi me se me na membo
obani se wa ma ye be demonstration
me ho mon ko manim enyum na ade kwa madudu ade na kwa me de ma yi ato otwen standby me be pon na mebo ya be pon na mebo me de no ya be pon na mebo
baba be so ni
oso da be man ba o maska o
ani kwa kuja fashion chen
eno so enyum be ya
akwa hiya ni na dia ode wo ho aba
akwa me wa sama na be ayongo bravo ni wa sama na be
me mo be
ni sorry
woni pa nyo
me ba cho for the echo so dem ha no enye fe culture of silence ya can one say wo group am ebi na man yi person de ba so culture of silence that's the amount of projects so there me who say papa bills etimi abeyi nyum ni nyina go still also mo
oh metia yi say metia yi
so do the story that
story ni dey
say metia yi
say o sika sa jesu upon
mo nya story ni mo pon anu ma bo me nyum no
pon ansa na
you nyina pege me story ni to say about pon my story
me anka say na me nka news yeah
it's o omre
the omre kakra me kwa ye big agenda ba me sa ba back
hey kwa no obi
tell be o say
edina am for church of faith
beba
just no ma spell ya
edina de no beba
bia say me tinchem say na ba
can talk
je ko eni perfume pa o unim say all these years minim say say me sit tomu kwa na edad no
na baby out camera here when you want to be capture
wa nya de
ka unwa ni kakana ka edit reflection at we
nya say bia me wa yi dada kra nka nya de me nya yi god picture ya o show yi
ge mo
are teacher bia ni
ko ku say ayon de o de bo me nko de be nde dwan ho
oh me say me manu bia me ka muti me mo he
oh na say
enu agba na gusu boy
ore babo bi ati Joseph
dabi we ya na gusu boy ayi na we ya enu gusu boy ni e start here enu na gusu boy
kwa mon kanche just say
abo bi ati Joseph me so de bo no ma
de mo kan na me mo e ti dey chese we de me bo
who so man amanfo so mo na sa nwom na pass go see nipa bebre so say yes ya de ama wo enso eye no kware asetena mo aye de
me mom de asetena mu ye
entinam se bo
asetena mu me de asetena mu ye ma pa
o ma no eno so mo
o dabi
okay ene de
me
sa ko de boy
I'm latest no
nipa nyina betwa mu wiase Say we just find the one.
See. What yes I so free museum coffee here bi. Yango pomo.
JISS. That be it say o pesa na o dia ye den. Pesa na o dia ye den. I just say u teacher me say ha na obedi ni.
Bagu.
Me
tia me ya pa mo nyu na ma me.
Ah na o nya sorry kwai.
Tia me ya pa.
Obi anhye o. Obi anhye.
Kind story no just a Facebook baby to market.
Onya wotre. Ani e
what has Jerry done? So you have one
a free museum e kokina.
Mo so mo story na mo nya me story na mo.
Their story now.
What's your omo? Timunya story.
No more man emfa. Yes I'm for you.
Say a program take time down. Yeah, na time was really sorry.
Culture of silence.
Culture of silence. Say obi say Edena.
We are blue ni.
Obi say Edena obi a friend of Prosper. Okoje MTN quick loan. We need the Prosper.
There be say
Ena obi reply.
I'm providing phone and abono.
Yeah.
Obi reply no catch and say wisdom cry or tro no deck.
Wisdom cry here remedies.
It me away pa.
Yes.
Walanyo akwetia. Say happy birthday nkoma Nanaya Nyakon Rainbow Radio London. Okay. Nyame Onsharo.
Okay, Stella, I think it's very funny. Jerry, what has my frantic people done to you that you have break?
Masa, me de me encourage you. Mona mo come asem. Me ba me make a story bia o. Me ba me make a story bia. Etina me say, mo come asem mo kan wia. Me and I make a say I disassociate myself from someone who can want to assemble Fibano. And also means I don't know. Your friends to be my gentleman. Now I answer memo.
And yeah, but Obratis power.
And also a branch a match and also memo.
They say auto lighter na asa auto creditor
ejina the other years ejina the other years credit auto na say e wo phone so
Ghana cedis hwim
say wa credit auto airtime na wan ka say e be dance ejina the other years
obi the Gabriel Pasai I say we want him to clear
the air
and obetwa che papa obetwa che papa
Roger fix the studio by playing the music.
I'm going to fix the
video. Oda ingwananka shroba
na odo amu do it ai
dia boy akwankwa here ni
oh Debbie memo
we am story for almost me no story na me story to us because I feel for I already
oh dia mama
ai omo a yefundaka okumase ena wan chese nansen adwuma no ese
omo say
among phone to fundaka nti they are calling for government support.
Then to fundaka
aban bo
e da ku for twa eti e be ku fundaka
anu na mpese mi hu say obi eto fundaka no say aban emra ne nsra ban mu na o mebo anu na o be so chire
ya fa ku me didi yes pass o mo ye fundaka no o mo ye carpenters wa
yeah
je nye fundaka nko na o betimi ayi
o Debbie obi wa specialize eno nko na say me ba say carpenter for o mo bo edan so o mo ye carpenters and o mo ye wardrobe ne sa furniture ndi obi a ba bia wa specialize nti se ono aye fundaka
am so mu hia ban mo a
aban beto ya mo
say ento fundaka
no training no betima ye bi fufura apart from fundaka nti fundaka na ba
fine ade to no ho mo sra ban say omra
fundaka apart from efun ye mfa nya bi em
say nka aban ehye naka na obi wa na aban do ne jiamo gare no ne adegu o atrencham tu bia dikomo stock o money man ko man stock fundaka zo aka
am poni na kaso dia tu dana ka ko no na ba ko mun ko e
aseme na
aha fundaka zo e free market
oh say o person chese business ni nko yi a say but no so e son we unti say o ka say business ni nko yi a say eni ba wu
that one person
you so work apart from Madaka it mean for you see
na sa Daka dey be see
sa from ka say incrimination na
cremation
common.
Ebi no mo ye. Ko lash beef no a mo say say and now call a transition for no a. Almost on me bi o.
Don't check out.
Papa. Yeah, I'm person for a reason too much. Oh, my years.
Now I got some show there in reason.
Say, you hunt, say, if you no can arrow. And someone some day you and then Muslim, and then we are near Focus, you know, my uncle, what you might have a year. Emmanuel engineer. On fans and can another. Boys in the back. New one year on Intino. Tell the boys, let's have 4 more.
It'll be a bit of cynical. Oh, now I could see say, oh, and I'll be a credit member area more. Oza, so by whom self may be a when you say, area more calling out to me, Brahman Cofona demands of course you know area almost say, Modman Cosman and say, Mokuria, I want to move. I want to me one way more demands to me. So who are Abaka? We are down. Me and never so we ask for a won't come. I'm telling you today. What you do, you die. It's the
but you should die when
listen to
we die among
the most obvious thing in this world is death. I walk on your piano bell, but would you be a bit?
Inevitable, but I saw Ocean, you said a bear.
There was a point in my life I'm a kind of massive, but I realized don't be away down the pole. It's been me who did it. But in just a good come my car for me, and I said, me abuse and Yama of your success on them. But
they will read Diamond Colonel, not the country.
Kwaku, sorry, you are now. I'm not sorry not to answer. Oh, Tobo. You don't want to baby or the opening floor. Also, Mamma, and a house of far high in a year. Tell my system. Or they could have to swing to
quiet. And you know about
I'm not going to so go here.
See, uncle.
As a man, Baby.
And then come
and you're every day, yes, yeah, good.
You now what's up?
I mean, I'm starting when you're ready. And they say, I brand TP, I will have now, I brand TM. I see a 1990 or a footballer or a Gaboni, but the young human name 1985. And they say, no, the contention is that how come, sir, Obia, Omami 1985, near 1990? It is a car for near Brepa. Every him say a branch nothing more come in so
many brains with ya.
But a possible say over 19
oh yes
1990
tight
Nippana no for
not 10 45 no no 35th anniversary
and for you
tight Nigeria player
but we see that for you back 3 days and
that's a no
bit me sir
say be just say
ya wo ba ko nde 3 days later sala ba kwa ba see if you want 2 it was what just tell me enta
na ba ko na band ya kan wo shim no ma me ntimi ntimi anya CS ndo so
na ko mu but omo twen sa ma na
CS de nse na ba so
oh
acho
CS
if it is my operation here away no said they no be I don't know
sa
be no se kan no kra no mu di twa no
sa be no mu pa o ye no
mu bi pa se kan no mu di twa se de ne ga wo for the bumu ma already bi oh yes
first no mu twa kwaso ba se mu twa na
aku first ka se
so say they gentle e bi keke no mu yo obi o kra on be wie unsa ya na why say and I say lines be baba obi o krom be wie no etimi lines na on kai ba hu say
e lesa ze no mo de lesa and the first part action body ni ata
no mo rubber bi o mo de Charles with na ne fra skin na apepa
and say kan ya o ye operation na ye pam wie so ye ko yi ahoma na ni ho bi na ni gum
technology ko na
yeah
abane say wo mu mabo tutu awie wo government
da
ba kokra ne so be mo ba kokra na ye mo obi kro mpanifo abom dia awie on ba twetwe mo na ase na mkofo do na bele da we mu ko say na na do agiri tu na me wo na be see me tin say
majority na wo ye nti
ka won tia na first na na mo na ni abre pa but say wo de tu na awie minister si nyina wo
na ya wo na wo na ye wo ya de ne bezie o se nyina wo ya ho still ye ne do so
but majority no
but the good news be 3 weeks obi enwu of covid
ade no mom de anka
say awia na elbow no udi nim tree kakra
so abo no ko oni
nim tree kakra bi kan ho
but anka vaccines na buy no anka na edoso kakra bi na greater percentage of the population here were anka ye be tu ase kra
covid ya manage na where we story
na no pata pa ba nya na yere na nyimo
yani ni interview okay
oba na nyimi asa no ware what is what one
na be onwo ya kakra bi no wa wo
tani okọ
kwaku na kwaku nko asam na wo na ze na my story ti nko
emenko ho hot so
say bright so far ho du ba
ana nyo no nko ha o
oi
menko
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Open Gangnam Style.
Money now.
Pagu.
Okasa man frama. Okasa man. Ni uye wo ni babelina. Okasa man frama. Ni uye wo ni babelina. Okasa man frama. Enkwabodo. Yesu enkwabodo ham. Enkwabodo. Enkwabodo. Yesu enkwabodo.
Sandia said you say, hey, so today, what have these two eaten?
Openi, say ubisa kwame say na hot say no say. Has to folk that runti.
O say has that run there. E hu nya say maybe say no here.
And then na me butchre hwe total penalties awarded. Ghana Premier League say wa kuto ya yeboy say be mafuma for di oson en 79 na penalty table no so say en atie obani waso a
BT pa
Dreams FC enya 11 penalties
so do ka penalty asem ye ide mo hu ba wi aso na kosi o
na mai we de woni mo na
obani
okay o de travel na man trust story no so
11 penalties o mo ne di kan Accra House of Folk enya 9 penalties o mo ne to so mienu Ebechem United so enya 9 Liberty 6 Elmina Sharks 5 Karela 5 Ashanti Gold 4 Interlies 4 Legon Cities 3 Great Olympics 3 King Faisal 3 Mediama 3 Eviana Stars 3 Bekum Chelsea 3 and last but 2 Asante Kotoko 3 Ebusian Dwarfs 2 and 11 Wonders so 2 80 say league table mo hwa no penalty league table no so aka ho na Dreams FC ya kan ho asemi
first automatic penalty league table
no
penalty league table
follow statistics football
penalty league table
no ni na ka football
so what teams no first three teams in the
yes affirmative as
yeah and connection to the link of the
ni papa ne obo mu nyane bone
penalty obo mu
ni papa de obo mu
what is papa penalty ka football
ni papa e ka ho
wanim
oye
sa de league on babe yo league no
waje chinye wi
on ba so league na se nya ji wi asa no babe yo
abani oko China memo a Chinese millionaire bi ho ni din de He Shihao. What did you
He
Shihao.
Okay.
Yeah. Na opani owoba abantie bi ho no a ne ba ne gibo ho pa but ne ba no aye obese. Just say oyobi a osun
Chelsea fan.
Why Casemiro so?
Why Casemiro so into ogotim bia won emfi no mo hwe no form no msi da bi. We dey ade anke betimi do ayan say do be gire free kick anim but pa say ball no pa de enam so ma pani no ni sikanti he Shihao ono akwakoto second division ena waka kire eye coach ni say team na wato no ne ba ni ntinti opeu also feature ne ba na ne ba no throw ba ono akwageto free kick ba ogina kire corner ba ogina kire na
o be pacho boy no Facebook no si tumbe
ne ba ni gina ho no obo na say ni
o papa o team
sa okoba bia no so mu fi na ne papa wo skent no wato team ni bi e de amano na menkai eye Manchester United for yaw enra say Europa Cup Europa Cup
na go see
finals was penalties
na penalty na mabetna kan wata bo chenya the cup
penalties ya bobo na we I decide apani na in 2001 o man for be kai no Bayern ne Manchester United ebo match bi na abantie bi Jesse na she Manchester United team no ono so she Jesse ni bi pepe she ni hose she ni boot before match no sa pleasantries na omo ye na omo wi a omo abutubutu atwa picture no abante ni ko gina mu ekoka players no omo twa picture obi e hu oh yes ayi je ko fa picture no eto
Odresse say player
odresse to say Manchester United player pepe
of fine or say
of so called pictures up to now
obi anyu
onto say twa pictures ni wi obi e kwa ko gina ba bi ogina na vi opo na
aboro na ba bi
ana na wo hwede nan crowd say kaza na shots na
share picture no mu twa en crowd the way o si aheha mo gina o ka say Ronaldo he form de no ka mo twa group picture no gina
Dr. Yuan pa
e to mo wi ye no o twa picture ni gina wi ye no na o say openi epe ba bi gina fa de obi agina in position openi na ehu ba bi a wo gina yi e no mo be yire say o ye fan
no ko ya just akoy say we
replica no say any ya ne bi ho say kwa odi fa so koka omo no mu twa pictures ye bibia wi omo hu no up to now openi emi
and osan you brony or black and convection in term
oh yes
because the whole team on the board they not black stupid in the room
yeah
osan white meet white me
but I can't Nelson Mandela na yi no abrantie no be na sign language no ya yire ne hu wona what to left right just say obi o ye mumum bia nim na ko de o ye de ye ntiase o
say adwuma na o ye no
say adwuma omnim say adwuma na o say na on call baby ada make us say accreditation guni ko mu jaw a just say
kwa ku football ba ko ni dia me de pa friend is Zlatan
Ibracadabra
dia me de pa
open to coach
ne nan so che play bia
na ko ka adwa mu ene say ya fine no 50,000 euros ano ya UEFA no and the team so asan fine no 25,000 euros
enyi sika bia man
ya share mu say betting house bia e wo more time
sika onya ni week
say over 10% e wo betting house
yeah yes o share
so wo pe bia ye betting
more time but as a footballer no per article bia e wo we no article 12 subsection 2 no
because say FIFA for crab ban
I be it say untimi and get involved in any betting company
right football
it's a brand that na why na there but can I just yes ka keto 50,000
and I'm saying yes in a week unim star Scar in a week or better be 200,000 euros. 70,000 and
yes, you my money 50,000 euros.
Maybe they are number tempting.
As I then they are fufu na mami dia born bo.
I say na nche da nimbo papa.
Na be me call ha wo na omo ja me banche ne bro there. Omo mami fufu because ma me wo. Me ba no me dem kwa na ba be we. And later no hu say no me didi. Omo ya no ma bobo so kakra na me dem ben kwa na gusu me ba na ahuru. and you mean to me, I said no.
I'm the bunch of fra.
I'm boss of me.
One and as I did.
One Kazamami.
I'm boss of me.
And I'm not because so my pa better
on dream na say na fe beside that no so on kwa
dream
so first football am
I'm
ball kan ga mom kwa
out of pressure
me say ball kan mom kwa o de ja ya nyame de o ye no bibia pepepe ebi amazanka nyama hari gu maharism baby say na baby
anka me body some booting papa
o kwame jai
kwame ani ye free football mu na kwaku unse bibi o liase
o free football mu amesrew ma me meet ba akopɛ na before the red card beba no unse 1970 no mu introduce a red card opening before the red card beba said na on ball no menya hu yeah fatu
before
the red card beba opening ne hu
era before red card
oh house of folk oh, you go photo no way.
Red card say.
What say no musi bobo. What you picture na ba ko pe. Before red.
Na so we there. Kickboxing no.
Me say, aso folk
Yes.
Before the red card. Obe no say no musi no.
This is too bad.
Wait, I better say
where kickboxing power.
You see before the red card, I say no number.
But could you introduce football na red card count?
Debbie, HS na no omo de buy.
Oh, sure.
I'm telling you. Before the red card,
red card be mu.
Omo di chen obi atimi tia na ya se no age ball na go.
Yeah, so we go fie boy oku. Because we are targeting a show, we so target.
It just be open free football ni enko enu.
Akwaku say the na make no ya na nipa bi enyi bibi ni bibi o wiase bi brem kuro bi wo no mo believe ne say aboa ponko so oyare horse oyare wo yawu na say oba bonitra aboa be sorry yes
o botra ponko na adafo no obewu no
huri tra ponko na say die tibia
no den e be na ba ne sa no
je ko bo video no mami
na kwa believe so
esi wo krobi so we wo yema mu ha ya
asamo akan Ghana asem
ya tife sro ho ba bi ne sie na ponko no na oda ho no wada oyare o ma ya ontimi nsore se na mu
ko tra no sore
nti ababa wa no young lady oduru ho na ne o ma
we no abrewa ntimi ye dey young
ababa wa ti ababa wa no huri tra aboa no na hon aboa no kakra no soro gyan no so mirikam ene o ma so ababa wa isoro
David bibi o
oh kwaku believe
that you back a trap on corner
okay ba nya keke
best
na who say the kromo for si boje so
abona sorry o
sorry sorry yes o mo dimirika
what started to me go no ma ko pega again no
o ma so ano no mo cheriska
Dabi ebi again na powers ebi enya oba bi akeke because I said I say come ko for oba bi akeke akomo monji gen so sa
area ho no so o hwa ase afi na obi gaga for bi do dia kata ntiansa na oba ho tutum se ono ne ababa obepi ho no maso ano no
what I'm trying to say is that ebi a enye sa or a virgin
obabunu
just a virgin never kwako
because you was like Chris be or trap one e jabe trap one it's great free the one e jabe trap one
na se do ma sia
na ska na mo chicha man za no
nyasem ketwa
kwaku wo ponko award yo
wo ponko nyasem
to no do na ntiko ba bia
we che hu virgin so mfa so no na me de baako ba wie abrantie minim boni a waye kasa no mo kan na Nigeria kasa alata kasa no mo kan but o makotro Ghana asem foforo bi ritra bwana
oba na virgin
yes baba wa no oba sima
yes a known culture e wo because am nche waka wasem
sky dey obo
yes
o ye first time
wa chere say na say odidi jame
wa chere say oba sima
say first no ka
na je ko
rasawa keka na qualification
Eric Bay.
I said you were say this a young say this
oh sheda
onya young wa
onya ya
say obi anti ano sa ndia ene oh okay
na brantie ho minim bone ko awaye ya gina bodua mu na nyame anim ni wagye bia gu no na ni patri mu odi je ko piato so na yenhwe minim se nipa timi ebo nipa chiri maasa na chi ai se duku pa minim kasa no maka Nigeria kasa na de o matro no ye Ghana but de o atro so na ye wrong kasa na
David wait video ma o disrespect ne mame.
Okay.
Obone mame, there's a first video and sana we. I think I even have it. Obone mame otutu ni na wo mame na yasi na ono ane mame o. Na area of form rantie no. E kire no say na wo mame a wa ba wiase no wanti ene onso be so. Na omo hwea kwa no ro.
What they are doing is bad.
In fact, omo cheche ne nine ne nse na no de boku bedu anum. Na say do mo twa na chicken no. Na chi na so pa hwe ayi na nkasa na.
Ababa no kwa multiple.
Oba no papa ya na etete sa edu ba bi odi ken ba ko ebo na ma abani na tete ken na bu no sa kofa afoforo
afra obunia mfa we ya so twen de ma wo
na obani easy down so Madrid for we na kwakwe abrochi no mu ade na ma coach ya obom modin we aduma we kakra was ni nye biem ba Ghana ha de coach bi wo kra wasa enso pam no cross me ko
ya bio Zidane de na wo kan de course da no ya no nso ntimi anhye tim ni ya ma wo mo sanko mo je league na nka obey kokwasa kakra ka ho Champions League utimi ya kakra na unsa trophyless na this year mo
Marcelo Suko
Marcelo de so unsa age no kachi
who are performing but then they don't mind leaving
your coach bi ho ha onya je de open wi a
for the past best season coach bi enu oba kotokosan ko ya asema ni akire
kotokonko a
example from one of my obi aka
ya say polo da so ti ala jozi polo
coach
Herbert Ado Ofie mu na busuan for be da house of folk captain na
mu tia mo da no coach yoko your friends embo Bronia o sin tontom wi ne se na obo anya tontom bia
Zidane one fantastic
to say Sapapich
Sapapich oh na gede ba ku ifra ba oh
Luna go ze ma go fare bai
ka so okohwe ne yire ne ma ba wa ma biem say ye coach kura so okori ni lines so be biem po
na mi
bagu adiana
Mariano Bayeto
then I'm going to assemble to Ghana and I say beating kotoko is like eating fufu and palm nut soup with lot of meat. It is a dinner for a million kotoko. Adiana night is fufu ni
Adiana ne kotoko match no. So we say a book match. Fan say wow. I don't know na soccer because they're going to play with all serious football.
Enko baby ya.
Say I had match we say book match.
I like the way I want meaning team. And it's good for me. I talk with you point.
I two pay one.
The way I
say it is good for me. 927.
Na ese pay beto mu ni na ese two pay mama.
Na do the team do ha. O mi team akotoko sunsun no akata o so before the match. But what the other people are doing is making me happy.
Mpanimfo abu baby. Yasi se otwitwa aprenkense homa.
Se se mpanimfo aba yakwa hwe mo bebre ho na nya papa.
Se otwitwa aprenkense homa se wode kwachichi jeduadu na wanto no a.
Okay, to wazi. Aprenkense homa no ye de en.
Homa ye de chichire.
Ena ede be dunadu. Ha? Jeduadu. Abo be ne friends. Minim ranka mi biza. Na cheme. Otisese.
Onnim no.
Gwagu
mari
gwagu okoto sabu aroko oko se wode kwachichire na wanto no a wo sa homa ne se sumu ani ko yebusa wo so kwache kotoko na akola se amfoye a na de wote ha wo bo
kotoko fonso omo ye market pa omo ton player maso ayi ba ko na omo timo mo de ma no Al Madina e wo Libya
na mo da
Al Madina
on contract sunye
no ko yo
Al Madina
na se Razak ayi Patrick Razak mo de
ko am foti
mo de ko na
Al Madina
mo player ba kwa nkotena Vietnam ngora mi so bi okodua mo
Al Madina
Vietnam
opani UCD for the chance kan ya dum no e be koso I say ochana 27 ane chassis ene nsia
fa no mo dey start
when you see ye Sa 161 kVIF a 5 millibar to Malam transmission line so no. I don't know here. Ntia den ya Malam aba media.
Yes, coach na ba.
Baba.
I don't call him.
Also acquired license.
I don't know the license.
Oh no, the whole coach is almost done. The whole Ghana coach be any license do need no.
Also acquired license in
a coach can to abisa zone.
Upgrade here.
Okay, new year. Oh, Michael Koyi, more friend is saying.
Coach Papa ni wajini.
Michael Koyi or no coach has.
Coach Papa ani the
wajini. The license in.
Why Amati see. O chechi so
Baku cantonment Kaneshi market Agbelenpe
Fatema side o
La Badi Teshi
onka Belenpe man nyande kra
Abelen
Tema side o ehun mom ba bia
Asalibotwe Osu Tetegu Gbawe
de me ken na why say won te o
Tema side my West Hills Mall Keseman kwa Keseman na wife
Kiseman
na dani Keseman
o ya achimota after golf course on sasa before so be group platoon no sasa
domi platoon side one
Kiseman
dans son my control aklaku kotobabi North Kaneshi bubuashi Russia East Legon ajoman so why
so when you are showman there na ajoman bebe na showman
obwa nene me who waka any mama chire
eti eno be John oh e show you na no akọjọ
ajoman bebe no
showman and me mabai ma je Jordan ma me nche nfa mi onu pe
yeah tem time
Ofori limited was me tell na busu na face so Ruby Ajima of Makola African Mall inside Kelly, Texas. So
okay. And then now you fast dama in boost herbal mixture. AKA police ni no edru no. Me ba cho ope edru betimi ama immune system no ho aye den pa dia. And the bomodi ama onsanka in boost herbal mixture. Ebe ma immune system no aye den adwuma den ni na be ni na. What I say? Na infection bi aba system no so no be fight against it. Yare bi a hinta oni pedua no onya hu na kwebe clean ni na ho atimi ato kama pa. Obenya bi ato Kings Walk Herbal, Echoes Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, alternative and dependable herbal shops across the country. Health Alert Shopper was St. John's. And I feel Little George Health Shopper and also Warrior Tema Community 5. And yes, our phrase 0243-115-948 and our phrase 0246-208-496. If you're not see you from Royal Drinks or see you go like Papa if you a Casa Precon Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Your Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, as well as Royal Cocktail. Wait a minute, perfect flavors now here. So go on and throw the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal Drinks in so many flavors. Royal Drinks, I see you go like 250 pesos, no ajo there. Open the door, phrase 0262-351-251. I phrase 0272-133-373. As they do, I am from Go TV. What's it?
Ajoma no say Oteshi.
Okay. Yeah, first day do my Go TV. I'll say more Cassius need the final stretch of the football league and as a season with its fierce rivalry and devastating heartbreak is finally here. Nina so stay connected on Go TV. Now I enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, and they can kahuni na what team nechi until the very end. This is football worth watching, and you can't afford to miss it. Obe connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis. Wabra using my Go TV app. Now I would nest the thrilling finale of a first of its kind football season this May. Go TV, love it.
Open Gangnam Style.
I've been patrol yen shesa and kaibo so na yen koye nim. Unim say ene adaje enyo. Bibiani I say and temtem na on the go na chese ba kumenu miensa ututu anamo ana okọ wanimu a. Listen ti ene absa say en fan to anim say ewunya say enema esombo e wasetremu e say utimi enya bre na wo hwe etoto sa ne mani nyina no ubegya na ato say okọ akotena banking hall All because of person or transfer cash be and now could your bills be near their day or withdraw cash be they can count and same rest and the IBB the amount sharp. Banking has never been easier. And they wait me out room one ABSA digital channels no so do you or transfer funds into your savings account. Then you pay for your old school union dues. Wait you have for your DSTV subscription. And then near my hold on with the click on your phone and one why you do. So get things done simply with ABSA's digital channels. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA. Terms and conditions apply. If I show open more details, I call absa.com.gh. Now details now here on sa a bit me aka. Also tier 106.3 Adom FM and Kosona ya.
Your police in your draw. Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon. And your ready Pedrian Musamaya Hubano. And Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa. A Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Rientimu. Sasa dear. A man for the one. The Imbusaba Mesa. Don't want dance yes. And Yarwa who Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso. And in Yarwa Kasian Kaya Wutini D and a Honka. No, Yamwas. Suing no, a way a ban every home. And now one pa, one dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num imbusaba mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya womuntum pose, Yaria Esomo, imbusaba mesa, and walk Kansi, and you are may move bia yato in row, at to 0246 20 84 96. MDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratui, my dear to Musay.
Time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Like a dream with Boomer drinks. Boomer, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Boomer, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make we set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive.
Drinks, a whole new vibe, another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Charlie, you make ready for UEFA Euro 2020 and now.
Media, I make radio. With Go TV, media asset. No size.
The players, Ronaldo, Mbappe, Lewandowski, no size. From 11 June, Copam 11 July, share UEFA Euro 2020 live on Super Sports with Go TV. So now enjoy expert panel analysis. Papa B, Awunyan baby. For 109 Ghana cedis per Koji with decoder, antenna, any one-man plan subscription, visit a Go TV dealer or SMS Go TV purchase to 1731. T's and C's apply. Go TV, love it.
Yes, I can because I drink it, nutritious Dano, Miami Dano, for strong kids who love to eat. Dano is the milk they love to drink, Mommy has just the thing. Dano is the milk she gives her.
Available. BB Bessie on Russell. Sam Magania Magan, where you Rusia. Me and Wamakaho. Euro 2020. Amaya Junu 9 a day for New Tournament Bakwa. A dear new just on Compare Football Fans 51 matches. A 50th 11th June. Was 11th July. Why Naji Kruwa Kasia Sisuno? Multimedia. Yana Yaja Euro 2020 Nali Yaniase. Live in HD. Our TV. She matches our HD Plus decoder. Adom TV, Channel 103. Joy Prime, Channel 102. Joy News, Channel 101. Euro 2020, your HD Plus decoder. HD Plus, a HD experience partner. Emma Multimedia Eurosumremo. Live commentary to Twitter. And we are radio hot one on so. Yes, social media no so dear. Jai, I think you be anyhow. Say Euro 2020, fear no neha. And until one say, na would see Euro 2020. Euro 2020 and you will go as Betway. For the love of the game.
DBS Industries, Roofing Papa Fie, Savannah Paint, we all go paint some, Shield Paint, the premium paint.
Dia Michelle Remini Papa, near Tinka Minya, and sign way a Fenahana, so dear, a hear me pa, and to Mammy Fra, and on a medit to me, ain't in a magic BS seminar to precope. If we say, and one most one would ra, ya frafra, Emma will near me nimpa, the sounds of to my kama, Afibo, BS seminar, any kuntama, and that was Wakomaso, Sankrat way, FDR.
No one can love like a mother. No one can protect them like you do. And now that schools have reopened, it is important to protect our kids from anything that could make them sick. That is why Nido feeds your child with essential nutrients like iron and vitamin C to help strengthen their immunity. Nido, your love, their future. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Okay, na eti ma die na agi ase. Ade wo she adware ana.
Nanama, me shemukasi ase. Ne awote no ye Cindy Rice. Eno na me de ye me mu nuane nyina. Cindy Rice demufo a eyiyi maako ma.
Metumi aka hwe.
Oh, aden, ka hwe.
No cre. Cindy Rice die emu edankasa.
Eye Cindy Rice. Na ya hye no every 1 kg. E de kopim 50 kg. Benya Cindy Rice ato. E wan krankra bi mu ben wo. Wo pedudu atu a. Fresh 0540-101-671 and a 0540-106-294. Cindy Rice, Sham, Ned Denso.
FDA, at Jadian Kratso Yatsum. Umami Yapanua, of Fumigiano. Unya Bemanua, de Pia, Ujina Fonson. Hello, I'm Rosia. What fascinating with Tribia?
Dabio, Mempe, where they meet you.
What down for Noa? We didn't wait to memoir. De Pia, no Coca-Cola Catwa. Yeni na yeni mobisa nenso omuni wa na etwa ne diasesa en Kenya braye kabom e di Coca-Cola eji yeni FDAG edwade nkrato yato.
Charlie, with Bedboro Ghana, everything not double O. Bedboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, bedboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Bedboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Have you heard? Malcolm never ceases to amaze us. This time, it is the power of 300 Ghana Cedis promo.
The power of 300 Ghana Cedis promo?
Oh yes, it is new from the quarters of Malcolm. Now, just make a purchase on any single item worth 300 Ghana Cedis and above and enjoy 10% discount instantly.
Instantly?
Yes, instantly.
This is really cool and amazing.
Yeah, hurry now to be part of this 300 Ghana Cedis promo. This offer is available at all Malcolm shops nationwide. Terms and conditions apply.
Malcolm, where Ghana shops.
Charlie, you make ready for UEFA Euro 2020 and now.
Media, I make radio. With GoTV, BBR setting. No size.
The players, Ronaldo, Mbappe, Lewandowski, no size. From 11 June, Copam 11 July, share UEFA Euro 2020 live on Supersport. With GoTV, so now enjoy expert panel analysis. Papa B, Awunyan wo baby. For 109 Ghana Cedis per koji with decoder, antenna, any one-man plan subscription, visit a GoTV dealer or SMS GoTV purchase to 1731. T's and C's apply. GoTV, love it.
I say, Minia, I don't know how
Kwame, many me busia for money who can see me bank di me hwamobio. Sisia na waka kyerem se, wo ma me busia me pediri ye adwuma no. Banking kind so ejinsu ho a e ye twamene bo.
Nka wasa wo ka we kyerem dada. Ma me come for Societe General Ghana ma o. Sa busia we, wo beti no te semape SG Ghana Banking kunya na ma me ni ya etumi ahwe mo free school fees won sem. Asan bi ankasa adwuma kakra yi. Wa ye yensi kasem ho ahotoso e wa ho hi nyamre.
No credit.
Se busia na ho hia dia, e SG Ghana Banking. Bibia wo ma me si ho e from cry. As I mammy bra, me betua, and mammy want me. It's me poco drop soon you see. Minia, or fat a bankia, who bet me at GD. Now don't want to so. The Abema was soon at your Societe General Ghana. Any day your power sitting in woman who you name. The Mabusia, your power. Not a who's who from cry. Koyan Krabate, Yanaya, woman, you know, PM, but you will see some homework. Societe General Ghana. That's me your one casa. Santa, we baby, you could own Sabosumi, and the Tosu Dunsia. I think Pimian need you know back.
Na family planning enu eni uria eya sumdwanka se o afege mitumi ne mengire tena se edwin brebe wo ye bo toso wa bra nya fe na ya na uria na kwa ya dwenyengo o uria afensu ye hwema ketire nso anyi etumi etwemri kampo asa ya dwen se ye be obi ma na ye wo bi se enti ne mengire nso ye sika de bie de shop mu anse ya wo ye ka ekire uria enye kan no ye se be man sin so man so ya dey wow en man no bomb scheme. Family planning. And you are promoting Juma in Kitahuniya. What family planning she ya? A yama no kafu. Family planning. Wow, she share brow pese war. And a mother brow be pese war. Good life. Abra Papa, Boni Ye, and Kaibwe Ghana Health Service, USAID. Anyone abroad for and a day break. Family planning.
Ofie Kwanso. With the Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. You know be wrong, I go do you a fool. I know get shell what they ever do. In your one guy of we. Omega Shako Shako do the Superu. Ebado Mochano get Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. Meaning Samedika, Nana Dodika, Mohammed Yayomo, Onosudika, no Omega 2, Fubanku, Ediwahu, and Kulenu, Mboga Minibi, Umamuku Misa Kura Minibi, Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. I sound it to me, Saike, can we not be seen?
Win himself from the 11th of June. I copy him the 11th of July 2021. Yeah, the Euro 2020 air bro. That's right, yo. Yeah, all right, no. It is so bad, so bad here. Who said some dear top for me now? Before you die, higher. You know what I'm saying? So make sure sell by join here on Joy Prime. I feel so on Adom TV. Now feel so live matches ni no. You dread your gumama. What I say on TV and a banner live radio commentary so there. Ishra FM, Love FM, Asempa FM, Adom FM, Joy FM, and Hits FM. Ninyani Kremu Den. So check out the 24 participating teams, 8 countries. I just say venue no enya one place per ena Euro 2020 no air course. What I say countries makoma konwotwe and your body a few of the other. But ninyina mu one trophy. We European football papa from the 11th of June to the 11th of July 2021 live and free on your TV and radio. Remember I said the multimedia group and they had the home of Euro 2020. Tubetimi ahwe bibia live. Philly. That way Adom TV and Joy Prime TV there so in HD. Etunya ntoye HD plus decoder no bia man san kan bi so yo. Sebe ya so betimi ahwe na wa feeling ye. Come on. The coverage of the Euro 2020 on the multimedia group platforms is brought to you by Betway, Azar Group, as well as DBS Industries. Sure, Baba. Yeah. Jerry, trust you doing well. Please wish Wilfred Neza a happy birthday for me. We pray for long life and prosperity for him. May God show him a token of his grace now and the rest of his years. I love him to the moon and back. From Mrs. Belaneza to the husband, Mr. Wilfred Neza. Nice one. Yeah. I was here the fella air trasso Eddie Amount. Cecilia. But before that, and I say happy birthday, Uncle Emma, Jesus love. You didn't know. Wow. Okay, so happy birthday to Jesus love Akaifie of Dory Babs School Complex, Warrior Cape Coast. You are 7 years old today. This one is coming from your sweet mother, Rosemary Agri, and your auntie, Mami Ifua. Also, may the years ahead of you be full of divine favor. From Josh to go. We also say, please wish a friend of mine, Eva Mantibia, a happy birthday for me. May the good Lord continue to bless her abundantly. Okay, yeah, fat fella entrim na yipa. Ya property. Nafi Adom enumere no sia kase bonso atwaso. Make us say Mami Buta Tenase. It's filler time. President of the Brothers and Sisters Association, Akwaba. It's Thursday. I got you. I got you. I promise this is going to be the last time. Oh, please.
Are you buying me pizza the next time?
Buying of the pizza is not a problem, but I think you just want that commitment, yeah. Okay, I'll buy you cook.
I'll take it.
right. So what's cooking today?
Okay, so today happens to be a Thursday.
Yeah.
So we will give people the chance to call in.
All right.
And either ask me about something that's trending or Roger, you have a question.
All right. So then let me quickly announce the phone lines. So 0302216561 0302216562, and let's do this now. So you can call us now. Yeah.
So Roger, there's this menace of broken hearts. I don't know if you have heard this phrase. 2 minutes to be an broken heart.
And
you go reach everybody.
yes, them say you go reach everybody. Yeah.
And there's a video I would want you to play.
Okay.
So we can remind ourselves of how this whole trend started.
Okay.
In Ghana, this broken heart menace.
All right. So can we have the video? You go.
You don't have the video.
You don't have the video. Oh, okay. They have it. They rule it.
Okay, when anybody calls in.
Okay, so African, do we have someone on the line already? Okay.
Okay, so Brother, so if you call us today, you tell us what broken heart is.
So they should tell us. Okay, so according to so like if it's me, then I should tell you what it is. Okay. All right. So hello, good evening.
So Brother,
yes, good evening.
Good evening.
What's your name?
No.
It's Thursday. We speak in English. Don't cause every baby. Talk from somewhere. Oh, no. Hello, are you there? Hello. Oh, please. Market spoilers, man. African. Let's pick someone else. But Joko, is the video ready? All right, so roll it. Let's see the video now, and then we get back to the calls. Yeah. Okay. So hello.
Good evening.
Yes. Good evening. Hello.
Good evening.
Yes. What's your name?
Enoch.
Where are you calling from?
Malaysia.
What?
Malaysia.
Okay. So when we say broken heart, what does it mean to you?
To me. It's a deep pain you have in your heart.
It's a deep
pain.
Deep pains you have in your heart.
Yeah.
Okay. That one too is nice. Okay. Deep pains you have in your heart. Okay. So that's one definition of broken heart. Deep pain you have in your heart. So if you have deep pain in your head, that one is different.
You've mentioned this like 4 times, so
that one will be headache if you have deep pain in your head. Hello. Yes. Good evening.
Good evening, brother Jerry.
Yes, boss. What's your name?
Tete.
Okay. So Tete, what's broken out to you?
Broken out is a devil truth. It's something. If you didn't take time, I will kill you.
Okay, so your definition is that broken heart is a deadly thing.
Yes.
It's something if you don't take.
If you don't like the person, you shouldn't follow him.
Else it will kill you.
If you like him, you should give your heart to him too. But if you didn't take time, he will kill you too.
Okay. All right. Thanks for yours as well. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Yes, evening. What's the name?
Free. My name is Yabeku. I call from Winneba.
Okay, we are listening to you.
Okay, working out is like you fall into love, the woman leaves you.
You fall in love and the woman leaves you. That's broken heart.
Okay.
What about if you also leave her? Oh, he's gone. All right, next caller. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
Boss, what's your name?
It's Joe Bless.
Joe Bless.
Yes.
Okay, Joe Bless, we are listening to you.
Oh, brother, I greet your listeners.
Okay.
Broken heart, as someone said, is a very deep pain within the heart.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So let's say maybe you slept, you woke up, and you feel some pains in your heart. That one is broken heart. That one is deep pain and it's in your heart. You are feeling the pain right at where your heart is. So that one too is broken heart. Anyways, let's pick our final 2 calls. Hello. Let's try one more time and see. I want to just pick some 2 more calls and that'll be it. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Evening.
My name is Rebecca. I'm calling from Medina.
Okay, Rebecca, we're listening to you.
Okay, Broken Heart. It's the process whereby you wake up in the middle of the night, you just shout, hey, then you go back to sleep.
Ghana's most beautiful.
Hey, you do all. You wake up in the middle of the night and then you shout, is it? And then and baby, I know I have for it too. Hey, that is why we're completely no more calls. You wake up in the middle of the night, then maybe you sit on your bed and go like, hey. SMP, then you go back to bed. Wow, I see different definitions of broken heart. That's great. The last one there, Charlie. You do all. Yeah, she's
so
spoiled
you
it.
play this.
It was rolling. It was on the on Facebook. Yeah. So those of us on Facebook.
That
yeah.
guy, Sammy, that Sammy guy.
Yeah.
That guy, he trended though. He trended.
Yeah.
So, brother, if you want more of the story, if you want the stories, you can go to Adom Online.
Sure.
You will find the stories there and you can read them for yourself. My name is Mami Boatema, the Fantido, President for the Brothers and Sisters
Association. Mike, thank you. Many thanks to Vodafone for sorting us out on Filler.
SEM with the fella.
And Vodafone says there's an energy inside us all that makes arts and music, that pushes science, that overcomes obstacles, that cures diseases, that overcomes prejudice. This is the energy that gives us the strength to ask important questions from humankind, from the planet and our society, so we can discover what is best. When this force is combined with technology, then man and technology together can achieve anything and create a better future for all. Technology is nothing without humanity. Together with technology, we can do anything. For more, just log on to www.vodafone.com/together we can. Vodafone, together we can.
Still give Gucci. The boss is small boy Yaro. So riding into his starting.
Good evening, Jay. Please, God willing, tomorrow, the 28th of May, is going to be my sister's son's birthday. That's Nathaniel Nene Oklite. Please take this opportunity to wish him a happy birthday in advance for us. And we wish him God's blessings, protection, love, and long life with good health as well. From the mother, Vida, Bata, hope I got it right, Aku, and then Andy of Community 19 Lashibi. Okay, and then
just to make front page.
This one here says happy birthday going out to Mrs. Mary Ajua Fobi Bosu of Dakuman
and Confidence
Na Shika Street, and member of the Church of Pentecost Dakuman Nyamiche District Mispa Assembly. You are 54 years today. Wishing you God's blessings from Emmanuel K. Oben of Achimota. And also a happy birthday going out to Hydra Opoku of Kaswa and a student of Asin in Suta SHS as well. Happy birthday to you from Decoder. I was young fancy na Yanfa and you may no Sia Casebo and Twaso. Adom 106.3 FM and I was so eguso Awuti.
Actress Demadroso. Naked pictures face.
In the meantime, special greetings and comma Ike, the CEO of Media Attack, ZNC Healthcare in the United States of America, the CEO of Ike City Real Estate here in Ghana, CEO of Ike City Transportation Services, Ike City Restaurant, Papa
No dollar.
just Ike City Construction BBI. That time to Chema, Champion Map.
spam.
Yeah, me won't shout.
Then they watch Malika for GT.
Asam ne abako pe abusua ushia onua na wachia no na wasere akire no esan se ewiase mu nipa ensehwe asada kese nkoma ye production team no Papa Bills African Jamestown Jeko Kwame Oboade na sample for J Obi Ebo Afenten from na fe Mami Boat your friend Jerry Justice. Let's do it again same time tomorrow between 3 and 6 p.m. Thanks so much for your time with us. Do have a great evening. We are